Hi everyone, and welcome to YBE, Young Black Entrepreneur, with me, Karaboche Mukwape. It's great to be with you again, and I hope that in our little session today, I'll be able to share some things that will be useful to you and help you grow your business. That's either running or the business that you're still dreaming about launching. Today we have a question from Sipho. Sipho says to me that he wants to start a logistics business. He says, "Hi Karabo, I've been wanting to start a logistics business. I have a little bakkie that I think I can use to do deliveries. What do you think would be the best way to get into this industry?" Sipho, thanks so much for your question. Great to have you as part of what we're doing here at YBE. And yeah, it's a great business to get into. There are a huge number of opportunities in the logistics space. The things that make it easy to get into are also the things that make it hard to thrive. Logistics, kind of like catering, unfortunately, has the benefit of having really low barriers to entry, which means it's not that difficult to start. All you need exactly is just that, a bakkie. And with that bakkie, you're able to deliver goods and services and get off the ground and delivering into the world. Unfortunately, lots of people have bakkies, and therefore it's a business into which lots of people gravitate. So for that reason, it's hard to differentiate yourself in that space. But be that as it may, I still think it's a business that one can make a success of. And I think that what you have to have in mind if you're going to make a success of that business is just that question. How are you going to be different? How are you going to differentiate yourself from the crowd? How are people going to choose you over the 101 other companies offering similar services in this space? As far as I'm concerned, I think the answer lies very much in speaking to the one biggest challenge that I see in this space, and that is the lack of accuracy in the delivery of services. That is to say, most delivery companies will tell you that they'll deliver said package to you, Mr. Mukwape, on Tuesday next week, and won't be able to tell you when on Tuesday. And so really the expectation that a lot of logistics companies have is that you and I are sitting in our office, in our home, twiddling our thumbs, waiting for them to arrive anytime between 8 and 5 on said given day. I know certainly for myself, and I imagine for lots of you, that is a very, very, very unsatisfactory kind of situation to find oneself in, and I find myself very often aggravated by that approach to service delivery in the space, and it's true very often of the biggest companies as much as it is of the smallest companies. So I think if I were going into the space, the thing that I would do